Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video, and today we're going to solve a dictionary problem. Here we have been told that we have to count the total number of items in the dictionary's values and print it, but without any kind of function. Here in dictionary 1, there is A, 1 to 3, B, a value, C, another value. Now these values are in list. What we have to do is how many digits are there in this list. Like here are 3, here are 2, 5, and here are 4, in total 9. So 9 values are in the dictionary's values. So 9 digits are in actually the dictionary's values, so we have to find it. So let's see how we can do it. Let me just write the code first and then I'll describe. Okay, so you can see the code is complete and is running properly. So let's see what we have done here. We have taken the dictionary and then we have taken a count variable, and initially it is 0. For key in dictionary keys, that is, we're taking the keys and we're going to iterate one by one. Value list equal to dict1.k, that is, for A we're storing the values in value list. That is, for the A key, the value list is this one, this all. Now since it is in a list, we don't want list, we want the values inside the list, the elements. For this reason we are going to use another for loop for I in value list. That's we're checking inside the list what are the elements in there. For I in value list, we're going to increment one by one the count number. So here we can see there is 1, there is 2, there is 3. So the count value will be incrementing one by one and the new count value will be 3. Similarly, when the key value will be B, its new value list will be this one, and it has also two elements inside it, so the count will be incremented by 2 and it will be 5. Similarly, when the C key will come, its value list will be this one and it has 4 elements in it, so the count will increment by 4 and it will be 9, and thus we can find the result here, 9. This is easy code, very short code. Hope you guys understand it. If you still have any kind of confusion, do comment down below and I'll be happy to help you. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.